Hello everyone. Today we'll learn how to download OSM data from Overpass Turbo and how to use that data to make a map using QGIS. So we have this website called overpass-turbo.eu. I'll put this website in description. From here you can download OSM data. So what basically this overpass turbo is, this is a overpass turbo, a web-based data filtering tool for OpenStreetMap. We'll explore some data according to our need. We give some queries, and on the basis of that queries, this API will give us the data. So let's see what we can do. We have this run, share, export, wizard, save, load, setting, and help option here. So we'll go to wizard, and inside wizard so today I will be using two data. One is school of Pokhara, and another is highway inside Pokhara. So for school I will so we need to understand basic concept of tag in OpenStreetMap. For tag, let's go to OSM wiki. And if you don't know about the tag, you can come here in OSM wiki and search for the tag. So for school I will search school school tag. So what basically tag contains is, it has one key and one value. uh, Key defines the proper the type of feature, and tag defines the feature. So here inside this we can see tag amenity equals to school. So amenity is the key and school is the value. So we'll be using here amenity is equals to school, and we want the school inside Pokhara, so we'll write in Pokhara. So we'll build and run the query. This is the school inside Pokhara. Some school have point data, whereas some has polygon data. We'll convert all these polygon data to point data. So let's export this data. We'll export this data as a GeoJSON file. So download and copy. So I have made a folder here, GIS, OSM with GIS. Inside OSM with GIS, I will name this as school GeoJSON. I'll save that. Again, I will export. I will make a query of all highway inside Pokhara. So highway is equals to what asterisk does is, it selects all the highway inside the Pokhara. That may be primary, secondary, residential, anything in Pokhara Valley. So I will do that, and I will build and run a query. So this query returned quite a lot of data, approximately 10 MB. Time rendered. Do you want to continue? So yeah, I don't need the school inside the Pokhara. So I need to remove the school here. So again, what I'll do is I'll delete all this and run one. So it will delete here, and then I will go to wizard and search highway in Pokhara. Okay, continue. It is taking time to render. It is taking quite a long time. This is all the highway inside Pokhara. So we'll download that using export and download as GeoJSON file. So we'll name these as uh, highway GeoJSON. So we have both the data, highway and school. So I'll go to QGIS. I have downloaded QGIS version 3.18.0. So you can go to qgis.com, I guess, and you can go to download here, download option, and download QGIS. Okay, for 64-bit and 32-bit, you have two download options, so you can download any according to your laptop capacity. So I have 62 version QGIS, so I will create a new project, and inside new project I will go to this and import both the first I will go to school and drag and drop here. So here we have a point and polygon type. So we have number of features. This is number of nodes. So don't get confused in this. So what we'll do is we'll convert this polygon into point data. So we go to geometry tools. Inside vector we have geometry tools, and inside geometry tools we have centroids. So we'll go to centroids and we'll select the polygon tool, and what it basically does is it converts the polygon into point on the basis of the central point of that polygon. So we will use that in converting this polygon to point. So we'll save this to our same folder, point one. We will save that as point one and run the query. So we have all the we can see it takes the central point as the while converting. So we don't need this, so we'll remove this, and okay, we have removed, and we now will merge this to a single vector layer. So for that we have I guess merge vector layer here, and we will select these two vector layer, select all, and merge this as okay. And WGS 1984 is our projection system, and we'll save these two again. This school of Pokhara. So we'll save this and run. So we have got a single data vector layer of this all the points of school in Pokhara. So we don't need these two, and we'll remove this layer. Okay, let's see in the attribute table, and we have so much of data we don't need in this attribute table, so we'll delete them. And so for that go to this on the left of corner, toggle editing mode, and in here we can see delete field. so we'll delete the field. We don't need this. Okay, so we don't need all of this. Okay, let's see what we have got. Okay, we don't need these also, so again we'll delete. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so okay, maybe we'll also delete this field. Mm, okay, this is okay. Address house street, so we'll delete this also. City, post also, name also, this. Okay, so okay, we have got this, so this is all we need. Now let's import IOA GeoJSON to this layer, and we have got point, line string, and polygon string, but we need only line, so we'll import only line. Okay, so this is the IOA network inside the Pokhara, road network inside the Pokhara. So what we will do is we'll create a map of I think ward number 8 of Pokhara municipality. So I have a Shapefile of Pokhara municipality here, so I will give this Shapefile link in the description, so you can download the Shapefile from there also. So of I think of ward, for ward we have the Shapefile RMS NPL WGS 4. So let me drag and drop here. Yes, this is the Shapefile of 4. So for not all the ward level boundary of Nepal. So what I'll do is I will only select the boundary of ward number 4, and then I'll ward number 4 or ward number 8, anything, and then I'll delete all this and only click this ward number 4 boundary. So for this I have here option select feature by area or single click, so I'll click this, and let me see here. Sorry, for this we need this here at the top, and sorry, select feature. So, sorry, for this I have to select first this and then this. So let me see once again. Again deselect, I'll deselect, and let me query once, which is this. This is province for ward number 5. Okay, let's do ward number 5. So now select this and we'll select this, and we'll clip this. So for this vector, and go to geoprocessing tool and clip, and inside this your second overlay layer, you select this option, selected feature only, and we'll export that as shape to what we'll do is word 5 shape, only word 5. Okay, word 5, and save that and run. So we have got word 5 boundary, so we don't need this um, boundary, so we'll better remove this layer. Okay, let's keep that boundary at the back. And now what we will do is we want only the road network and building inside this boundary. So what we basically do is we'll clip the vector feature inside this boundary of word. So for that we'll go to vector and geoprocessing tool. Inside geoprocessing tool we have clip. So what we'll clip is so input layer must be what you want to clip. So first of all I want to clip the school layer, so I will select that, and overlay layer is what inside which boundary you want to clip. So and then save, I'll save that to save that as school of word 5, and then I will run. So close. Let me see, school of poker and school of word file. Okay, this is the school of word file, word 5. Okay, we have got all the school of word 5, and similarly we'll do this vector clip for highway also. So again for that we'll use okay, we don't need this layer, so we'll remove that. Again for highway we'll go to this, we'll continue the same process, clip and highway, and overlay is word. So we'll save highway road network, road network of word 5. So we'll run this, and we have got road network of word 5. Okay, see, this is the road network of word 5, and we'll delete this also. Sorry I have duplicated it instead of removing. Sorry, again once again. Okay, I'll remove this fourth layer. Okay, so now we'll work on symbol and colors. Okay, so I want to give a different symbol for this. Before that, let's give color, suitable color to background of a word. For that I'll go to this and go to symbology, and inside symbology I'll have here field color. So what we'll do is field color, stroke color will give transparent, so we don't want stroke color. Let's say fancy prefect. So this is the stroke color. So now for this I'll go to wait, let's see what we have got here. You can play with every color here. So I haven't got a color of my choice. Okay, you can also, maybe this is okay. Let's see. This is not, this is too much green. Okay, now this is I think good. Okay. Okay, this is okay. So this is the background layer of boundary, wall boundary. Okay, I will go to color of road network. For road network I will use totally white color. Let's apply. Maybe yes, this is okay. Now for school I'll go to again double click on this. Okay, so if you don't know how to go to properties, you can double click on this symbol, or you can go to yeah, you can right click and go to properties, and inside properties you have got symbology. So for symbology here we have marker. So what we'll do, we'll select this and convert this to SVG marker, and below here you can see some symbol, a lot of symbols. So I'll use this symbol for now, and I'll again go to top, and I'll get color. I will change this to maybe I can give this some purple color. Okay, and stroke, I don't need stroke, so I'll make it transparent. Okay, and then I'll increase the width. Let's apply, and I'll increase the width to, okay, let's see this. Okay, apply. Let's apply. This is a bit bigger. Okay, this is fit. Okay, this is fit. So now what I'll basically do is I want the name of a road network. So let's change the color. I don't think this is too much fine. Apply. Let's apply. Okay, this is okay. Now this is fine. So what I'll do is I'll basically label the road network. So for that I'll go to properties, and then go to label, and inside here we can see no label, so I will go to single label, and inside single label what we'll use is I will use the name, and we'll work on this size. So for size we'll go to text here, and we'll go to size as, let's say this, let's apply. Okay, this is a bit big, so okay, this is okay, and we'll change the color to once again to white. Let's apply that. Okay, white is not visible. What is not visible, maybe we should change this to this color. No, this is not also visible, this is also not visible, so black, no, black was best for this. Okay, so black was okay. So what we'll do is we'll see the placement. Okay, for placement will, okay, distance will maintain 1 millimeter. No, it's 0.5. Okay, this is fine. Okay, wait, this is again, let's work on road network. Level, the size is like 6. This 5. Okay, 5 is good. And here formatting, we don't need any formatting. Buffer, mask, background, shadow, callout, placement, and rendering placement. Maybe horizontal, right? No, it's not. Okay, parallel is best. Online, below line, or above line. Okay, below line is okay. Okay, this is the highway. So here we can see what. So this might be because this name property doesn't has any name in that. Now we'll work on symbology of school. So inside school, we'll go to label. Inside label, we'll use single label, and single label will be of name. And name, let's okay, apply first this. So this is the name of the all the school we can see. Now what we'll do is we'll change the color of the school to, okay, let's take the color from the symbology. Okay, HTML notation control C. We copy this and use it in label. Okay, this is the color, and what we'll use is we'll use buffer. Buffer, we'll use the buffer and apply. Okay, what buffer does is it will give some background color. Okay, so it helps us make easy to understand the feature in our map and placement. So around the point we'll use, okay, offset. We'll use 1.5 for x and 1 for sorry, it's cartographic maybe. Okay, yes, cartographic is fine. And what we'll do is we'll use distance of 1 millimeter, maybe from the point, from symbol mouse, from the point is okay. And okay, so we'll apply this. So this is how we can give naming. If you don't want this here, so what we'll do is we'll go again here and placement around point C. Let's go to offset line. Okay, offset, inside offset, this is let's see what it does is, okay, let's work with all the offsets. Text size, okay, when we decrease the text size we see the, yes, so it is okay, and we'll change the font to Arial, and then maybe we should make this bold. Yes, bold is good. 25,000. Apply. Okay, now this is the final map that we want to make. So let's go to legend, layout, page layout. So for page layout we have to go to, okay, and before that let's save this project. Project, save as, inside yeah, save this. Now go to project, new print layout. Okay, we will layout this as Word 5 map. And so before going to map layout, you must be clear that the same zoom level which we have in this view will be seen in map layout when we add the map through this uh, uh, option add map. So what we'll do is we'll add this here like this, and then okay, this is okay. And then what we'll do is maybe see this. Okay, still it on the map again. Okay, so maybe previous was one fine. Okay, okay, we didn't see a lot of this placement better to in cartographic view. Okay, so in this way we can see more buildings, more levels. So go to project and add this map. Okay, you can see we can center align it at the center, and then we'll add, okay, we'll add this add the title for this skill. So you can see the scale from here. 1100, okay, 11,000, maybe 10,000. Okay, now yes, this is fine. Okay, I will add the title from add item, dynamic, add label. So here I will add a title. Okay, so what we will do is schools of word number 5 Pokhara, and I'll work with this font. Will align all this in center, and font color will be black, and we'll use Arial font. Yeah, where is the Arial? Arial, and we'll use bold, and maybe we should increase the size. Okay, this is the title of our map. Now we'll use north arrow. We'll keep north arrow here. You can change here from this north arrow from arrows, and this is also fine. Okay, this is north arrow. Okay, this is north arrow. So this is north arrow, and now let's put legend in our part. So add legend, and we'll add the legend here. So you can see we have 3 boundaries, and we got 3 legend option. So inside the layout, No, inside item properties, maybe we have title. We can write the title as legend. So layout, you can change, you can play with this layout also. So font, we'll change the font. Group font maybe 15, like. So reading item label, item font, maybe 16. Okay, this is okay with font. And title font, let's increase to 22. Column spacing, okay, spacing between the title, okay, you can change the spacing, and between the adjacent items also. Symbols, level space. Okay, between symbols. Frame. Okay, if you want frame in this, so you can add frame also for legend. So here, why we haven't seen white of this here of symbol of road network. This is because the color of background and the color of this road network is same, so we can see. Okay, now we'll add scale bar. So we'll basically use scale unit as kilometer. And okay, you can add this scale bar here at the below, and after this what we'll add is we'll add the name of the author. So for that we'll go to dynamic text and map property, current username or project author, and it will give my name. So this is the now again let's go to add item, add dynamic text and map properties. Here we can use CRMS CC, what it says, map properties, CRS name WGS 1984, and then ellipsoid. It is our position system, and we are using another ellipsoid. Ellipsoid is EPGS, and you can add anything. Okay, you can add other properties too. So you need current date, you can add the date when the map was made. So, okay, you can change the font size directly from like this scrolling here also you can change. Okay, again I'll change. Okay, same. This is the cool feature, you can scroll here and change the font size. Okay, maybe this is okay. Okay, now this is the map of school of Pokhara. So now For exporting this map, can export as PDF, SVG, image. So I'll export as PDF in Shapefile. So shape, always export as vector. Shape. Let's see the map here. Wi-Fi map. So this is the map of schools of Pokhara. So this is how we can make map using OSM data and QGIS. Thank you everyone for watching.